Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this pink look right here, perfect for the spring or summer time. So if you guys are interested on how I complete this look, then just keep on watching. For the palette I'm using is the Morphe Jaclynhill Volume 2, and I'm just going to be using Positivity, which is a peach shadow, and I'm just placing that all over the crease. The next shadow I'm using is Not My Journey. It's a purple, dark purple shadow, and I'm just placing that onto the bottom crease, just making like a line and then just blending it out. So once I'm done cutting the crease, I'm just going to be applying translucent powder and just placing that onto the crease. And I'm taking this glitter from Golden Paradise, which is called Barbie. So this is the complete look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know what other types of tutorials you guys want me to do, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video.